Yo, what is up everybody? This is Mason Alexander Reviews. I'm back at it again with another video. I appreciate you guys stopping at the channel. I make these videos to help educate you guys and so you guys can see up close and personal looks of these rep sneakers. I got more sneakers here in the background that I still need to do reviews for. So I've got a lot of content coming. So if this is your thing, consider subscribing. Today we're going to be talking about the Jordan 3 UNC. I'm going to let you guys see an up close look at this sneaker. This is the box here. This is actually from Yepkicks, so you guys can check their stuff out and their Instagram down in the description below. But yeah, we're going to see how they did with this pair of sneakers. We're going to unbox these and you guys will get to see an up close look. So let's hop into it. All right, so we're gonna get right into this box. Obviously, you see your Jumpman logo in white with your UNC color on the top of the box with your elephant print on the bottom. And you see your tag here that says Jordan 3 Retro. This is a size 12 and just a standard Jordan 3 box. UNC color, let's get that out of the way. And then there it is. You have your Jordan 3 UNC in all its glory. So again, these are from Yepkicks, and just looking at the shoe at first glance, I mean, it looks pretty nice. It looks like it's made pretty well. The shape is good, and looking at this right shoe, the thing that stands out to me is obviously the details, which is the elephant print. You can see how thick this elephant print is and how boxy this toe box is. And I just don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. You can also see that over here on the heel area, just really thick elephant print lines. And I just think they're a little too thick. So that would be my initial thoughts right off the bat. But you know, then it looks like the UNC color is spot on around the eyelids, around the heel, and on the Jordan, or on the tongue, you have your Jumpman logo. Which is pretty nice. It feels really good. As you can feel, it looks very tumbled. Nice feel to it. On the back, you have your Jordan Air instead of Nike Air, which obviously is always better as the Nike Air, but that's the way it was made. Looking at the outsole is your standard Jordan 3 outsole. It feels really nice, and it has your UNC color at the bottom along with the Jordan text. So, you know, pretty standard, but looks nice overall. So we're gonna put that off to the side and take a quick peek at the left side shoe, and it looks pretty identical to the right. So that's always a good thing when they look very similar. The elephant print is pretty much the same. The shape of the toe box, all of that off of first glance. And yeah, these are really clean. I like the color. I just love the UNC and the white together. For some reason, it just looks really clean and is gonna look really well with blue jeans. So definitely wearing these with blue jeans. Alright guys, that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you were able to see it up close and get your own opinions about this sneaker from Yepkicks. So again, if you guys like stuff like this, please subscribe to my channel. And I thank you guys for stopping and watching. Until next time, peace.